If you're looking for a townhome with tons of space, you've got to look right here at the Hutton. I've got Unit 15, an end unit, overlooking the green space with a 2-car attached garage. This feels like a duplex or a detached house on the inside. I'm Elliot Chun at The Partners. Let's take a look. With the 5 bedrooms in this townhome, you've got 4 upstairs and also 1 separate downstairs with its own private entrance, ensuite, and walk-in closet. You're close to everything here in Willoughby Heights and all the hype around this growing community. Great shopping, top school catchment, and easy access to transportation, even to get to downtown or east of Hope.